So hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about what are props and how should we use it. So props are nothing but the information we pass from the parent element to the children element or the components. So for example, in this I have created the footer, and for just understanding I'll be passing the props in this footer. So I can pass the information from anywhere where I have used this. For example, in this footer, like I want to pass some data or the information to this footer that will be extracting into the footer page or footer component. So let's pass some information. How you can pass it? You can pass the information like attributes. So you can pass anything. For example, I'm passing name. I can put any name, for example just CodersArts. Anything I can pass. Also I can pass year, anything. So I can pass year 2022. So I want to create a footer which has this information, or the footer that will extract this information from the props or the properties. So props are the short name, you can say, for the properties. So I have passed this. Now I need to extract that into this component. So how can I do this? I can directly use props into the parentheses of the function footer, and I can use the attributes name in here. So for example, the first name was name. I can specify the name, and the name is props dot whatever the name you specified into the attributes. So for example, I specified name, so you will be extracting the name from the props. So it is passed as an object into this props. Now after that I can also reuse this for the year. For the understanding we are just doing this, and also I can wrap this into a fitment. So now you will be seeing that these two data is passed into the footer component, and now you can see the effect. So you can go there, let me refresh that. So you can see the name is CodersArts and the year is 2022. So I can similarly reuse this footer one more time and change the information whatever I want to change. For example, anything soft stack I can write, and I can pass any year or any data, maybe 3400 way in the future. So let's refresh that. So you'll be also seeing that again, but the information is changed now. So the point I want to make is that we can reuse the information or the footer component by passing the different information. So you are not only allowed to pass as a string information, you can also pass it as a number, for example, that you also be able to see there. Let's refresh that. So you can see that that's also working. Similarly, you can pass any object, array, or any data you want to pass to the footer component or any component. You will be passing like this using props. Also you can destructure the props, just like I'm reusing this props object again and again. So I can directly use name and year without specifying the props. Just I need to destructure that. And how can we destructure? Just you need the curly brackets which you use for the objects, and just specify the properties which you passed, and then that will be reused as the variable name. Make sure you name this as it is that you passed in the declaration of the footer, or the when you call the footer that you named. Similar should be there into the destructuring. So now you can also see no effect will be happened, like the previous one is same for this one also. So this is how you can pass the props and use them into the components. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in the next one.